In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Calendar with someone. It's a straightforward process that will help you collaborate and stay organized with colleagues, friends, or family members. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Calendar. You can do this by opening your web browser and entering the URL for Google Calendar, or by using the app if you're on a mobile device. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to it. This will help you understand where everything is as we go through the steps. Now, on the left-hand side of the page, you should see a list of all your calendars under My Calendars. This is where you'll select the calendar you'd like to share. Hover your cursor over the calendar you wish to share. You should see 3 dots or a settings icon appear next to it. Click on this icon to access more options related to your calendar settings. Once you click the options icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you'll need to select Settings and Sharing. This option will take you to a new page with a variety of settings for your chosen calendar. This is where you can manage all details related to your calendar, including sharing permissions, notifications, and general settings. Now scroll down until you see a section labeled Share with Specific People. This is where you'll be able to add people you'd like to share your calendar with. By doing this, you enable others to see either the full details of your events, only your available times, or even manage your events depending on the permission level you set. In this section, you'll notice an Add People button. Clicking this will open a space for you to enter the email address of the person you want to share your calendar with. Make sure you type in the correct email address to ensure that the invitation goes to the right person. Remember, only individuals with a Google account can be added directly. Once the email is entered, you'll need to set the permission level for that person. Google Calendar gives you several options. You can allow others to see all event details, make changes to events, or even manage sharing options if you trust them with more control. Choose the permission level that best suits your needs and your relationship with the recipient. Finally, after selecting the appropriate permissions, there's just one more step. Click Send. Once you do, an invitation will be sent to the email address you entered. The recipient will receive an email with your sharing request, and once they accept, they'll be able to see your calendar based on the permissions you granted, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily share your Google Calendar with others, making it easier to plan meetings, keep track of events, and maintain your schedule in sync with those who matter. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.